Storm Door Guy here, and if you're watching this video, you probably have some questions about whether or not you should get a storm door or why you should. Well, let me give you 3 reasons that you should consider getting a storm door. Number 1, energy efficiency. I've been told that as much as 75% of a home's heat and cooling loss leaves through the front and the back door. Adding a storm door to your front door and or back door actually creates a thermal barrier in between the storm door itself and the entry door. And that little air pocket is what actually gives you the insulation and the R value and the energy savings, because hot and cold don't transfer very quickly or very well between air molecules. So number 1 reason for getting a storm door is the energy and the heat and cooling savings. Number 2, having a storm door over the entry door actually protects it from the elements. So, if you're in an area that gets a lot of rain or snow or all of that, it will protect your primary door from fading and cracking and all that other good stuff. Now, the caveat to that is the sunshine. If you're facing south, you might get a little more paint fading and all of that because of the heat buildup between the 2 doors, but that's a topic for a different video. So, in general, number two reason to get a storm door is because it actually protects your entry door. And the third, but I think the most important reason to getting a storm door is actually an added layer of security. What I'm seeing now on a lot of the new homes, especially in the area where we operate, they have these 8-foot doors. Those 8-foot doors, they don't put peepholes in them anymore. So when somebody rings your doorbell and knocks on your door, you have no idea who's on the other side of that door. As soon as you open that entry door, boom, they're standing right there, for better or for worse. So adding a storm door in front of the entry door allows you to open that door and still have a barrier between you and somebody else. Give you a case in point. Last week, we just had a big hailstorm come through our area. And despite having numerous signs on my house that say no soliciting at all, within 30 minutes of the hailstorm coming, here comes a roofing guy walking up my patio, literally past the one sign at the front of the sidewalk says no soliciting, and then ignored the sign right next to the doorbell that says no soliciting. So anyway, I opened the door, he's standing there, we got something in between us. That's a very good feeling. Also, if you have kids or dogs or cats or something that's going to run outside, it's nice to have that extra barrier. So if you're considering a storm door, I would say those are the 3 benefits to getting a storm door. Number 1, energy savings. Number 2, it protects your primary door so you get longer life out of it. But 3, and most importantly, that added security and peace of mind, knowing that there's a barrier between you and somebody else. And if you have kids or pets, they stay inside. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any other questions, I would say leave them in the comments below. I review every one of them and respond as quickly as I can. If you want more information about storm doors, check out my YouTube channel. It's the little @ Storm Door Guy, or you can find more information at stormdoorguy.com. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.